Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm so happy to be showcasing the latest from BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? There's a lot of goodies in there to rewrite the rules every day. Okay. Woo. Okay, this is how it looks on the inside. Power picks, more power to you. And as we may or may not know, at least in the United States, we're celebrating Women's History Month, or Women's Herstory Month. So the first thing I have here, ooh, it's from a brand that I've been hearing quite a bit. It's Déjame Marx Beauty, and this is their Dew Wet Balm. Nice. In the color shade Rosewater. And this is the Beauty. Why, when I looked at this, it reminds me so much of the KVD Beauty, the Good Apple packaging. Very similar. It's plastic. And that is what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't know if there's a protective covering on this or not, but if I may do a video on this later. But there's the DM on there, which it doesn't have like a flowery scent. It has like a very, I don't know if it's the packaging or not, but it has a very interesting plasticky smell. So it may be the packaging. Again, this is the Dew Wet Balm shade Rosewater. Okay. The next thing I have in here is from, ooh, who's this? Aciology, and this is the Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. Oh, goodness knows, a good lip mask is always appreciated. It's necessary for me, and now with the weather changing back to spring, I will definitely be needing something to nurture and moisturize and protect. Oh, this brand, Elemis. This is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. Next thing I have here is from Act and Acre. Cold Pressed Stem Cell Scalp Serum. Stem Cell. Interesting. This is a pretty pricey little package. I will put the original price here and then the price I paid for it. This is, I mean, stem cell. Wow. Okay, so we're going there. Never heard of the brand, but I was intrigued to try it. And it reads that it's a cold pressed scalp serum. So I'm assuming it's like cold pressed oil in the way that you sort of just take it like rosemary oil and you apply it to the scalp. But if you are intrigued about this, I will create a video on this and delve a little more deeply into this particular product and to give my impressions on whether or not this works. I don't know. Fairly heavy. Oh, and this is the bottle. It's smoked glass, so do not drop this if you can help it. And you could tell it's sort of like, I guess, to protect it from light, which is pretty nice. I'm just gonna, I don't think I have to shake this, but it does have a give on the top. So it is a dropper. This just smells like, kind of like serum smelling. I don't know if that makes sense, but serums have a particular scent. It's not overt, but it just smells like something that came out of a lab. So it's semi-clear. It is slightly cloudy. I just want to see what the texture is like. Oh. Okay. I don't know if you see that. It runs like, it's sort of like jelly. I don't know if you can see that. And it seems to go into the skin quite nicely. Wow, that's amazing. Stem cell. Oof. It's just, you know, you think about the strides that skincare has gotten into. It's just amazing. From Dew of the Gods, and this is their Amalfi Gold Heaven Grade Hair Serum. Yay, something for my hair. Dew of the Gods, I believe I had a mask from them, if I'm not mistaken. It was a pink mask, pretty good. So I can't wait to try this. Amalfi Gold, interesting. Amalfi Gold is an ultralight Heaven Grade Hair Serum formulated with the highest quality olive and argan oils. Okay, so this is really good stuff for the hair. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's like a twofer. So in here, there's this one, and this is the olive and argan oil. Heaven Grade. Interesting, it says Heaven Grade Hair Serum, right? And then, if you see inside, there's another like thing in there. Oh, it's the for the drops. All right, so the next thing I have in the box is from Avant. And these look like eye masks. Hydro Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads Essential Pack. Ooh. Avant's a very nice brand, so I'm happy to get this. Oh my gosh, where have you been, Hip Dot? This is their Jet Black Liner and Stamp. Ooh, I saw this and I was very intrigued. I said, okay, let me just try this out and see. Yeah, remember Hip Dot? Like, I was just like, okay. So this is the pen, and I guess, because I don't see anything else in here, no. I'm assuming that, I don't know if you can see that there. I'm assuming that the stamp is somewhere here. That's the liner. I'm just gonna do this real quick. You see that? That's supposed to be black, right? Okay. But it doesn't look too like, and then back here maybe is where the stamp is. I don't know if you can see that, it's really cute. No. Ah. And there's a stamp right there. So now I can finally master the wing. Last but certainly not least is Wonder Beauty's Trailblazer. This is an eyeshadow palette. So I'm pleasantly surprised with what I got in my box, and I'm happy with the fact that I was able to also put in some picks that I wanted in the Ipsy sales that they had, the edit sales. Ipsy has a lot of incredible sales. I'm sorry, BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So the Nesta Merrick's, I can't wait to try this. And maybe I should do a look featuring this. What do you think? And even try this eyeliner, which I am totally psyched about. I can't wait to try this. I'm pretty sure I chose this just out of sheer curiosity. But overall, that is my March 2024 box. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure and unboxing. And I hope you stay safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.